Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This afternoon I am taking a little hike through the forest. This is a national forest, so. But yeah, it's about 6 o'clock. This is about an hour hike. Yeah, so I'm here with my family. And my sleep cycle has been completely off. And my mind just like overfilled, and I have to make a decision about changes, about different things, and yeah, so I feel like hiking and walking is what really brings me back and grounds me. So yeah, yesterday we came here with my dad and my sister and my daughter, and it was so nice. And we were here in like the morning around noon as well, like 11 a.m. to about 1 o'clock. And now it's like 6 o'clock, but the sun doesn't set till about 9. So hopefully we make it. We should. It's about a 30-minute to an hour walk, depending on how fast we go and if we take any breaks. And yeah, this path is so beautiful. There's a pyrite mine here, and I want to do that trail. And then there's a little pyrite. You found what? Yellow. There's pyrite stones, crystals that you can get at the gift shop from the mines that were here. What you found?
Yeah, that's what I found.
Yellow. But this trail is absolutely beautiful. I found this trail about 2 days ago on the All Trails app, and I downloaded the app, downloaded the trail, and that's a really good app. So if you're hiking, going on trails, definitely use the All Trail app. It's really, really good. There's reviews, there's pictures from other people. So yeah, it's just a very good resource to use. And it was very accurate as well. Like it knew when we were going on off path, when we were on the path. So yeah, when I was looking at the All Trails online and looking at pictures, I thought this was more like foresty, woodsy, but the path is very good. So the markings are very clear. It's a very good path. It's a very good walk. So yeah. Oh, look at this tree trunk.
I found some yellow.
You can tell how old it is by the rings. Whoa, old, old, old. I love the evening sun. I love listening to the birds chirp. Oh my gosh. So I came here in January and I did one of these gravel paths, and I just kept going and going and going. And it was closer to like where you can camp. And when I got up there in January, there was no birds, no sounds. It was like dead quiet. Wow, you made a little heart? Good job.
I'm gonna make a tiny heart.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna make an eye. You can't be in the forest.
Yes, you can. You see little squirrels. Now more yellow. Good job. How do you like this trail? Do you like the trail?
I love the trail.
Yellow, I found some yellow. I found some yellow.
You found more yellow?
I found more yellow.
Good job, baby. I don't know if the video captures like the colors, but it's so beautiful, especially when the sun is setting. It's just lovely, and the air is so fresh. it's like when I'm out here, I remember to breathe, inhale and exhale deeply. And like when I'm driving and throughout the day, I've just noticed that I've not been breathing properly. And that's what I need to remind myself is like, breathe, deeply breathe, inhale, exhale. So yeah, if you're watching this video, you're in this section, take a deep breath. Take some good deep breaths, you know, relax. There's some ferns over there growing. I love that when you can see a lot of ferns. It's definitely on my bucket list to go to Sequoia National Park in California in like May, June time. May, June, July, somewhere around there. I gotta look at specific dates because there's these beautiful wild blue bright flowers and I really want to see those, and I really want to see the trees. I literally went to Hawaii with the goal to see rainbow eucalyptus trees, and I did. They were so beautiful. They were like this yellow, green, red, orange color. And then I went to South Carolina to see the Spanish moss trees, and I did that for one of my birthdays, and that was also beautiful. Watch out for the bridge troll. There's yellow.
Yes. Watch out for the bridge troll.
Watch out for the bridge troll. So as I was saying before, like in 6th grade in the summer, I went to the Shenandoah Mountains and went camping and learned how to find sassafras trees, which they were, the roots of the sassafras tree were originally used to make root beer. So whenever you find the sassafras tree, you can scrape the little leaves and it smells like sassafras. So the house that I was in growing up, we had a sassafras tree behind the house. And I remember after going on that camping trip, like looking all over, because we lived backed up into woods, and I found the sassafras tree right in our backyard. So that was pretty neat, something cool that I learned. Yeah. You know that's gonna be in my video, right? I'm not cutting that out. Yes. Here, what? What'd you find? All right, let's go. Come on, let's finish the hike. Oh, I think we're almost to the creek, or maybe there's another bridge. We'll figure it out, but there's a creek somewhere.
Mommy.
Yeah. Okay, so there is a second bridge, and then we get to the creek where there's like a third bridge. So yeah. Okay, we just got to the third bridge, and this is like the halfway point.
Let's go this way. What about we go that way? This way? This way. Let's go this way.
Hold on, baby. Baby, it's this way.
It's this way?
Yeah.
Dada, not that way. Poison ivy.
Keep going.
Yeah, but watch out for poison.
Oh, look, there's a little frog.
Where?
Right there.
Right there?
Okay, we are at the creek.
I love the creek. I'm gonna play in the dirt.
No, you don't have to.
I know I can't do that. Gotta go wash it in the way.
No, Alina, please don't. It's fine. Mommy has water.
No,
No, the water could be dirty. It could be contaminated. See? You see something? Okay.
We ordered Texas Roadhouse for dinner, and I'm really craving a steak. But since steak and the way it's prepared can be like high histamine, and I haven't eaten red meat until like recently, I saw that when I would get lamb once a month at this like halal place, the gyro that I'd be getting, it was lamb mixed with beef. And I just realized that like last week I was like, oh, I can't eat that anymore. So, yeah. But I'm gonna try to order some steak from somebody that like flash freezes it, and try to find like a farm that flash freezes right after they get the meat. You hear the birds? Oh yeah, baby. I love when you sing, baby girl.
I know that responsibility.
You're so cute. Are you my little Jamaican runner? Yeah. A lot of energy. You broke your walking stick? Daddy got you another one. You're a happy girl.
Thank you, Dada.
I am sweating. Are you sweating, babe?
I'm drenched.
Drenched.
I do like this.
He keeps walking into spider webs. Don't you, baby?
I like this stick.
Come on.
Yeah, I'm on. You hungry?
I like this stick.
I'm hungry. Hungry hippo. Okay, so we're at the end of the trail. We just gotta climb up, and then that's it. But yeah, this is a really nice time to go hiking. Can't wait to eat some dinner, maybe watch a movie when we get home, and just relax, veg out the rest of the evening. So yeah. La-da-dee. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you watched this far, thank you. Put like a tree emoji or a plant emoji or some kind of like forest emoji in the comments if you watched it all the way through. Yeah, this was needed, definitely, for mental health, for sure. This is mine. This is the chicken critter with the mushroom, mac and cheese, and the butter, and the bread. Yum, yum, yum.